Hey everyone, welcome to this video on how to make 4 figures a month as a teacher freelancer on Fiverr. I will be sharing some tips on how you can achieve this milestone and make a good living while doing what you love. If you're a teacher looking to make some extra cash, Fiverr is a great platform to showcase your skills and offer your services and products to people all over the world. So let's dive in. To see how you can get started. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first thing you need to do is identify your niche. This is important because it will help you differentiate yourself from other teachers on the platform. Here are some examples of niche ideas that you could focus on. Language tutoring. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you could offer language tutoring services. You could offer to teach conversational skills or even provide translation services. Test prep. You could offer services for the SAT, ACT, GRE, which are US-based or other standard tests. You could provide study plans, practice exams, and tips to help students excel. Essay writing. If you have experience writing essays or papers, you could offer your services to help students with their assignments. Music lessons. If you're a music teacher, you could offer lessons on various instruments or even provide music production services. The possibilities are endless, so take some time to think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Step 2. Create your Fiverr gig. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create your Fiverr gig. Your gig should be well written, professional, and highlight what makes you unique. Here are some tips to help you create an effective gig. Choose a catchy title. Your gig title should be attention-grabbing and give a clear idea of what you're offering. Set a starting price. You could start with a low price, like $5, to attract clients and get more reviews. Once you have some positive reviews, you can increase your rates accordingly. Is this a requirement? No, just an idea. Write a clear description of your gig. Be clear about what you're offering, what your qualifications are, and what the deliverables will be. Make sure to emphasize how you stand out from other sellers. Showcase your work samples. Make sure you upload samples of your work or a portfolio of past projects. This will help potential buyers get a sense of your style and quality of work. Step 3. Promote your gig. Promoting your gig is an important part of getting more clients on Fiverr. Luckily, Fiverr is a marketplace that naturally attracts potential customers. Here are some tips to help you promote your gig. Tip 1. Optimize your profile. Your profile should be well written and professional. Make sure it includes a profile picture, a brief bio, and a list of your qualifications. Utilize social media. You can share your gig on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. You could also join relevant groups and communities to promote your services. Offer promotions. You could offer discounts or promotional offers to attract more clients. For example, you could offer a free trial session to new clients. Step 4. Deliver high quality work. Once you start getting clients, it's important to deliver high quality work. This will help you build a good reputation on Fiverr and get more clients in the future. Here are some tips to help you deliver high quality work. Tip 1. Communicate with your clients. Make sure you ask your clients questions to understand their needs and preferences. Deliver work on time. This is critical on Fiverr as it helps you build trust with clients and get positive reviews. Exceed expectations. Try to go above and beyond what your clients expect. For example, if you're providing language tutoring, you could offer additional resources or follow-up sessions to ensure your clients are getting the most out of your services. Scale up. Once you've built a good reputation on Fiverr and have a steady flow of clients, it's time to start scaling up. Here are some tips to help you make that $1,000, US dollars that is, or more per month. Offer packages. You could offer different packages with different levels of service, allowing you to charge more for more extensive services. upsell your services. You could offer additional services to clients after completing their initial project. For example, if you're a music teacher, you could offer to produce a song for a client after providing music lessons. Set higher rates. As you gain more experience in reviews, positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates to reflect your expertise and the value you provide to clients. Next tip, you want to outsource your work. If you're getting more work than you can handle on your own, you could consider outsourcing some of the work to other freelancers on Fiverr or other freelancing websites. This will allow you to take on more clients and increase your earnings. In conclusion, Fiverr is a great platform for teachers to offer their services and make a good living. By identifying your niche, creating an effective gig, promoting your services, delivering high quality work, and scaling up, you can achieve the goal of making at least 4 figures per month. So start exploring the platform and see what opportunities are out there for you. Be sure to grab the freebies in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck on your Fiverr journey.